Have you ever wondered how much water is on the earth? How much of that water can we drink? And how can we save that water for future generations? These are just some of the questions I've thought of, and I'll try to answer for you today. The first question could be answered by knowing just a couple facts. Scientists have known that water's been on Earth for quite a long time. In the beginning, the Earth was a giant hot ball of molten rock. And when that giant hot ball of molten rock cooled, water vapor was released into the Earth's atmosphere. Also, water came via comets. Those comets carried ice crystals. And lastly, when the Earth cooled even more, volcanoes were formed. And when the volcanoes erupted, water vapor was released into the Earth's atmosphere too. Now with all this water vapor and ice crystals, how much water is on the Earth? That brings me to my second topic. There is roughly 326 million cubic miles of water on Earth, but there's always a but. 97% of that water is undrinkable. 2% of that water is locked up in glaciers, some in Greenland and Antarctica. That only leaves 1% of water that me and you can drink. Surprisingly, most of that water is underground. And chances are, no matter where you stand, at some depth, there's water below your feet. Now, a fact I think you should know is that there are 6.9 billion people on Earth. And of those 6.9 billion people on Earth, we're all supposed to share that 1% of water. And think about this too. Take this also into consideration. One person uses about 80 to 100 gallons of water per day. That's brushing your teeth, washing your car, taking a shower, etc. I think you get my point. Now, a bad thing I also think you should know is that scientists have predicted by 2050 there's supposed to be above 10 billion people on Earth. And if we don't start saving water by now, there won't be any. We're still going to have to share that 1% of water by then. You do the math. Now, I'd like to share a couple fun water facts with you. About 70 to 75% of the adult human body is made up of water. When you go running or swimming or walking like I am, you start to feel thirsty. And when you're thirsty, your body's lost above 1% of its total body water. Also, a healthy person can drink about or above 3 gallons of water per day. That's not just drinking water straight up. That's also having it from coffee, Coca-Cola, orange juice, etc. Now most of those examples contain caffeine in them. Caffeine makes you want to pee, and we all know that when you pee, your body uses water to pee. So it kind of defeats the purpose. Now I drew a picture on my t-shirt that I would like to share with you. I drew it for this special occasion. Now here it says, by 2050, it says water, and it says here, water. And here it has lush green, it's lush, and here it's all like deserty. And then here it says, is this how you want the earth to end, the world to end? And I don't think so. I think you want it to look like this by 2050. So you should use some of my simple, easy to follow water facts. And I also have them written on my back. But if you can't read them, then I read them for you. Water saving tip. Save up to 150 gallons per month when you shorten your shower by a minute or two. Grab a wrench and fix that leaky faucet. You can save up to 560 gallons a month. Since old toilets may use up to 5 gallons, parentheses 20 liters, a flush, replace old toilets with a new flow one. If that is not possible, place a plastic water jug or brick in the tank to reduce water used with each flush. Run your clothes washer and dishwasher only when they are full. You can save up to 1,000 gallons a month. Use the water-efficient shower head. They're easy to install and can save up to 750 gallons a month. Turn off the water while brushing your teeth and save up to 25 gallons a month. Not including the toilet, since I don't know how many times you go to the bathroom. You can save up to 2,485 gallons of water per month using these simple tips. Now, if you still want to drink the same water the dinos drink, I suggest using my easy, simple tips. And you can just use them anywhere at any time. So just save it. I'm going to go take a quick walk. I'll see you later.